dealing with some lower air quality levels, all thanks to the haze that was coming in from Mexico. That's those agricultural wildfires, or those agricultural fires rather, moving in from the south. It's really common this time of year, and we're seeing this high pressure system over central Mexico that's sending those the smoke and the haze
that was in the air today. What is it?
I walked out this morning and I was a little nervous for a second that there might have been a wildfire, but it's actually smoke from the wildfires in the Panhandle. Cold front rolls through, brings those northerly winds. It pushes in the smoke to us in North Texas.
Okay, appreciate you answering. We just want to know.
Farmers burning fields to clear brush and return nutrients to the soil is a common practice across the globe. In this case, there is so much smoke released from the fires that it could be seen on satellite wafting across the Western Caribbean and Gulf of Mexico for the past several days. It's so big that it reaches all the way down into the tropics, and with help from the tropical easterlies, the winds are blowing all that
smoke has moved in from Mexico and Central America, some of which are actually controlled burns. Now, when we're talking about smoke in the atmosphere, unfortunately, that does mean a reduction in air quality, but it can lead to some positive benefits as well. In fact, it's going to reflect a lot of our sunlight, similar to clouds, which means we should be a few degrees cooler.
The humidity makes the smoke particles look worse.
Some days it was real hazy because, like, me and my sister had to do walks when she's allergic to stuff. There were some days when she couldn't even do the walk.
We found Johnny De La Fuentes at the La Retama Library Cooling Center. This is a NASA picture of the fires in Central America. The close-up shows fires by these little red dots. This picture shows the wind currents bringing the smoke our way. Dr. VJ says if you're unhealthy or sensitive, stay indoors.
That rising air in the thunderstorms came back down, created a sharp area of high pressure towards the east of I-35. In response to that, a sharp area of low pressure farther towards the west, called a wake low. The difference in this pressure from high pressure to low pressure is high pressure into lower pressure, and that's a sharp change in pressure. This is the pressure trend, late pressure, and then a crash as that wake low moved through, and of course the winds were howling all along the way. I'm Avery Tomasco, CBS Austin News.